Hello friends, let's start doing remaining part of the voice. First of all, there are modal verbs. Our three topics are left: modal verbs, imperative and then infinitives. Let's see how we should tackle these modal verbs. You all know that modals are can, may, might, should, must and could. My dear friends, there is a simple rule to handle these modals while converting them from active to passive. That is, you should apply this be, word be with that. Next, you already know that third form of verb you will be using that. Now, rest you all know that the object will be subject and subject will be object. Let's take an example. You should take rest. आपको आराम करना चाहिए. रेस्ट जो है वो इधर आ जाएगा. ठीक है. रेस्ट शुड बी हमने यूज़ कर लिया एंड यू का इधर ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा. रेस्ट शुड बी टेकन बाय यू, बाय ऐड हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो दिस इज सिंपल रूल टू टैकल द मॉडल वर्ब्स. ओनली यू हैव टू attach word be with them. Rest everything is same what we have covered in our earlier videos. Next is imperative sentences. Imperative means order, request, right? These kind of sentences come under this heading. Now suppose the example is speak French. Somebody is telling to other person that you should speak in French, or just giving the order speak French. Now how can we change that? We'll prefix the sentence with the word let. Our sentence or passive voice will be let, then French will come this side. Let French be. We are going to attach be with that and then verb third form of verb, which is spoken. Now the sentence passive voice will be let French be spoken. This is really simple. Here this is the structure for that. So I am not writing structure with each and everything, each and every topic, because this will make you confuse. Every time I have given you simple logic that let, that you are supposed to change subject into object. So many times I have already told you. So I am not making the structure complicated. Just here I have written one time. Now let French be spoken. Let you are going to add, then be you are going to add. This you already know, right? So here we don't have any object, right? If there is any object, then we'll suffix it at the last end of the sentence. Now last topic over here is infinitives. My dear friends, I am going to give you one example. First of all, you need to keep in your mind that it will be sentence like to, and there will be verbs first form of verb will be there in our active sentence. Then while changing from active to passive, you are going to change, just you are going to put be. Rest you already know that verb third form will be coming in the passive sentence. So our sentence will be, suppose our active voice is there are 500 question papers to distribute in the examination hall. Now the answer will be there are 500 question papers to be distributed in the examination hall or in examination hall, whatever will be given in the active sentence. Now just you have seen that we have added this word be in here, and then V3 is already in all the sentences. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.